In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine shipping on eBay. This is a great way for sellers to offer their buyers a more efficient and cost-effective shipping option, which can lead to improved customer satisfaction and potentially higher sales. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and head over to the eBay website, which you can find at ebay.com. Once you've arrived on the home page, the next step is to log into your account. If you aren't redirected automatically, navigate to the Login section and enter your credentials. Now that you're logged in, the focus is on accessing the seller tools you need. This is easily done by visiting your Seller Hub. Alternatively, you can go through the Account tab found under My eBay. Both of these paths will get you where you need to be, which is your account management area, specifically to adjust your shipping settings. Once you've reached the relevant section, you're going to want to find Shipping Preferences. This is the cornerstone for adjusting any shipping settings you might have. Look carefully through the list of options until you spot the one that says it allows combined payments and shipping. This feature is crucial as it streamlines the shipping process for both you and your buyers, ensuring that multiple purchases can be bundled together effectively. When you've found this option, you will notice an Edit button nearby. Clicking on this allows you to bring up the settings that can be adjusted. Be sure to enable the feature for combined shipping. You might see a checkbox or a toggle, depending on eBay's current interface design. Take a moment to make sure this feature is fully switched on, and that's essentially all there is to it for setting up combined shipping on eBay. By following these steps, you not only make the process simpler for your buyers, but also optimize your own shipping logistics. Buyers will appreciate the ease and potential cost savings from combined shipping, which can lead to a positive shopping experience and improved seller feedback. As you continue selling on eBay, remember that providing excellent customer service and offering beneficial features like combined shipping can set you apart from other sellers. Thanks for tuning in to learn about combined shipping on eBay. Feel free to leave any comments or questions below, and make sure you subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to make the most of your eBay seller experience.